Hello and welcome to Friday Finance. In this video I will show you how to create a manual register and upload CSV files. To add transactions from a bank that is not yet available on the platform or data from other financial sources in Friday Finance, you can upload a CSV file. To do this, the first step is to click on the Accounts tab. Select the Create New Register button and fill in the requested information. Once this is complete, the manual register will appear in your account summary. Now click on the small gear to the right of the tab and select Upload Transactions with CSV. A new window will appear where you can upload the CSV file. The system reads uploaded files in the following order: counterparty, reference, date, amount, and currency. For the data to be successfully recognized, the data field must be formatted according to that order. Amounts must have consistent thousands and comma separators, and the currency must be ISO compliant. Select the transaction fields of your columns and then click Confirm. You have now successfully uploaded a CSV file and will see each transaction in your Friday Finance workspace.